At High Value Manufacturing, we have a method and process to help you analyze where your manufacturing systems are failing and how to improve your business to a mode of growth and profitability. Over the past 2 years, many small to medium manufacturers in the U.S. have been in a constant state of chaos. This chaos not only has led to many businesses struggling to retain their foothold on the business, but also to cause many of them to stop dead in the water trying to understand exactly where their business is going because they didn't know what to do, didn't do anything, and actually the business degraded even more from that point. We start this improvement process by doing a cost-free Zoom-based analysis of your company's manufacturing health. 12 very innocuous questions simply answered by yes, no, or we don't know will guide us to where your business may need the most help. From that free health check, we then move into 3 potential 4-hour face-to-face assessments where HVM comes into your plant, spends time with your manufacturing staff, and looks at a series of questions which deep dive into 3 particular areas. One, do you have a quality issue which causes your plant to not be successful? Two, do you have too much work, too much project work, or just not enough resources to sustain yourself on a daily basis? And third, the assessment would focus on just general business problems in 15 key areas. We would then make a decision with the leadership of the plant if we needed to pursue a more detailed deep dive analysis. So I'd like to be given a chance to talk to you face to face in a Zoom regarding the health check. It takes less than 20 minutes to perform the health check. So please, let's talk as soon as we can.